Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social science class. In our previous class, we know very well we were discussing about the Badami Chalukyas. So, as we have successfully discussed about one more important dynasty of South India, that is the Badami Chalukyas. Today, we are going to begin one more important South Indian dynasty, which is none other than the Pallavas. So once upon a time, Pallavas, so it was also used to be known as a well-known dynasty which ruled over South India. The name and fame of this dynasty was also flourished over the seas during that time. So now we are going to discuss in detail about the Pallava dynasty. See, this Pallava dynasty is one of the famous dynasties of South India. So it is also going to be considered as one of the most important South Indian dynasty. So Kanchi, which is in the Tamil Nadu, was the capital of Pallavas. So Tamil Nadu, you know very well, it is one of the state, and Kanchi has been located in the Tamil Nadu only. And once upon a time, this Kanchi was the capital of Pallavas. And they ruled for about 300 years. How many years? So these Pallavas were there in the rule for almost 300 years. Narushima Verman is most famous king among the Pallavas. So when we are going to discuss about the important rulers of the Pallavas, among the Pallavas, one of the most powerful, eminent, well-known ruler is Narushima Verman. So as Narushima Verman is going to be considered as one of the famous or the eminent ruler of Pallavas, we are going to discuss about Narushima Verman first. So now we are going to discuss about the Narushima Verman. Narushima Verman had the title Mahamalla. See, Narushima Verman had the title that is Mahamalla. He invaded Chalukyas and defeated Immadi Pulakeshin of Badami. So really we need to appreciate the what we say means braveness of this Narushima Verman, because once upon a time Immadi Pulakeshin he defeated Harshavardhana only. So Harshavardhana once upon a time he used to be known as one of the brave and well-known king of the North India. So now here this Narushima Verman, so he invaded the Chalukyas and defeated Immadi Pulakeshin of Badami. So this Narushima Verman was able to defeat the Immadi Pulakeshin. And to mark this event, he assumed the title Vatapikonda. So once he was able to defeat the Immadi Pulakeshin, so in order to keep this one in memory, so he assumed the title that is the Vatapikonda. In the sense, once Narushima Verman was able to defeat the Immadi Pulakeshin, he got the title by name Vatapikonda. So Narushima Verman developed Mamallapura or Mahabalipura, a port town, as beautiful town. See, this Narushima Verman developed one of the city by name Mamallapura or the Mahabalipura. So into a very, very beautiful port town. Okay. So in the sense, during that time only, the water transport was having its own importance. The contributions of Pallavas in the field of sculpture are very precious. Now we are going to discuss about some of the contributions of Pallavas, especially towards the what we can say means sculpture. Okay. Here you see there are 7 stone chariots of Narushima Verman's period at Mahabalipuram. So if we happen to visit Mahabalipuram, it is a name of place. There you are going to come across 7 stone chariots. See, the chariots have been prepared with the help of stone. And in Mahabalipuram, there is also an embossed sculpture called Gangavatara. So even if you are going to visit this place, here we are going to come across one more embossed sculpture by name Gangavatara, which shows Bhagiratha bringing the river Ganga to the earth after penance. So, Bhagiratha, so bringing the river Ganga to the earth. So, this is just an imagination, and definitely it is very very interesting also. This is famous embossed sculpture. So, it is one of the most important and well-known sculpture which is related to the Pallavas. So, we can say embossed sculpture in the sense a raised part of a flat surface. So it is a raised part of the flat surface. Pallavas built very big temples. Apart from this, no, Pallavas also built big temples. So if you go back to the history, no, many of the rulers they have given importance for the construction of beautiful temples. And here also we are going to see the Pallavas also contributed a lot towards the construction of huge and big temples. One of them is the temple of Lord Shiva built on beach of Mahabalipura. Now you see, one among the most important temples which were built by the Pallavas is Lord Shiva. And this Lord Shiva has been built on the beach of the Mahabalipura town. See, we came to know that Narushima Verman only developed this Mahabalipura what we means port town, and it is very very beautiful also, and there only they constructed a Lord Shiva temple also, and once again the Lord Shiva temple increased the beauty of Mahabalipura town. So two more famous temples of Pallavas are Kailasanatha temple and Vaikunta Perumalai temple of Kanchi. So apart from this Lord Shiva, so another two important temples were also there, so which were built by the same Pallavas, that is the Kailasanatha temple and Vaikunta Perumala temple at Kanchi. So in the beginning itself we came to know that Kanchi, it was the capital of Pallavas. So as Kanchi was the capital of Pallavas, they built another two important temples at Kanchi only, that is the Kailasanatha temple and Vaikunta Perumala temple in Kanchi. Okay, so this is about the Pallavas. So today we have discussed about Pallavas in detail, and in the next period now we are about to discuss one more important South Indian dynasty. So till to that, bye, see you.